And just like that, our little adventure comes to an end. We're leaving the EASYJET Springs Hotel and we're going to taxi up to the bus station at Benidorm, and we'll get the bus from Benidorm to Alicante, which should take about 45-50 minutes or so, pretty close to that. And luckily we've got plenty of bus snacks, so we should be all right on our way. Right, let's look out for that taxi coming. So we've made it to Benidorm bus station in the taxi. It only takes about 5 or 10 minutes, but there's a bit of traffic. It costs about €8, which is not cheap. But if you've got really heavy bags like we now have, I don't know why our bags are so heavy. They weren't that heavy on the way coming. We haven't really bought anything. I only bought one t-shirt. Strange, isn't it? How your bag just gets mysteriously heavier when you're going home. But yeah, €8, but probably worth it if you've got luggage. So yeah, we've got about a half an hour wait now. We've come nice and early. We've got about half an hour wait, and then we'll get on our bus and on our way to Alicante Airport.
This is okay, we'll let you phone you back in a minute.
Made it onto the bus. So it should be about 50 minutes now, right? 45. 45. Okay. People on that side. 5 maximum people. Take note. Right, we made it to Alicante Airport, and time is currently 6 p.m. Flight is at 8? 9. Why do I always think it's 8? We've got loads of time. We've got bags of time. We're not stressy travellers, are we?
No.
We're relaxed travellers. We like to have plenty of time. So we'll make our way through the airport towards security, and we'll get ourselves through, and then we can relax and maybe get something to eat. Who knows?
No, we will.
No, we will. We will get something to eat. Do fancy for dinner? I'm trying to remember what's in this airport. Oh wait, I recognise it now.
Yeah.
We just went to Starbucks last time, didn't we? Then we had a coffee and a snack. We'll see what else there is. There's a Subway in here, Starbucks, and there's a Burger King at the other end, which might be a shout. Burger King. Right, that took about 30 seconds to get through security. Unbelievably organised. Not that many people queuing up actually. No one queuing up when we went through. But they made me go back through because I left my laptop in my bag, so I had to go back round and stick that through separately. Other than that, they were happy. So yeah, right. Getting peckish now, so let's have a little walk down the airport and see what's on offer. There's the Subway, look. Little Subway. You can smell it. There's a distinct smell of a Subway, isn't there? You can always tell when the Subway's around. We've still got tapas in here. If you want to try and beat the Tapas Alley experience, you can do it here in the airport. It doesn't look too bad, does it? It's probably about £12 for each or something like that though. I'm making that up, but you know, it's expensive, isn't it? What have we got on here? Fresh baguettes and gifts on this side. Another gift shop in there. Plenty of t-shirts in there. Still haven't found that Altea fridge magnet, have we?
No.
We might have to abandon that till next time. Right, I think we're heading. Oh, there's a Pret there and a Costa coffee. Costa, there's a Costa on the corner. What's your favourite coffee chain?
Mine's Starbucks.
Starbucks.
What about you?
I think for branding, it's Cafe Nero, but I think
What about Tim Hortons?
Tim Hortons. How could I forget Tim's? It's not really a coffee shop, is it? It's more of a fast food outlet. Yeah, I like Tim Hortons coffee. That's nice. That. And for branding, Tim Hortons is the best, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll put myself down for Tim's, number one. There's a little Pret there. There's a Pret a Manger there. There's a food market in there. Yeah. Maybe we should have a look at the food market. Well, we can get in this way and see what they've got. We've got a stall there. Looks like donuts and coffee, which is never wrong. And we've got ribs, Burger Ribs House, Walk Street, and Oh Mamma Mia. Oh Mamma Mia. Let's have a look what they got. Yeah. It's like a proper burger place there. A burger's 20 quid for a burger.
20 euros.
20 euros. We've got pizza slices on here. That looks slightly less than appetizing, I must say. And drinks cabinet. And on here we've got Asian food. So, what have we got here?
There's a pub there.
And there's a pub. Oh,
Have a terrace?
what?
Let's have a
We didn't see this last time, did we? Were we in more of a rush last time? Or were we just more tired? Probably both. Oh, this looks nice and quiet, isn't it? We've got music playing though. We've got Budweiser advertised. And is there a real terrace? Okay. Right, what do you fancy?
I'll film you.
Fancy. Let's check these burgers. Fries. Drink. Telephone communication system. Okay, this is the Burger King Hall. All these fries we got. veggie whopper or whatever it's called now. We've got the chicken and some sort. We did get. Oh, they did give us ketchup.
Yeah.
Okay, and some water, and all this came to
25 euros.
25 euros. We've been. It's a shock after being in Benidorm paying those prices, isn't it? To come into like semi-normal place and you pay straight away, you're paying 25 euros. Like what? We could have gone out for the night in Benidorm for 25 euros. Could have went for 2 hours. Well, we're hungry, so let's get tucked into this. Have a look. It is a veggie whopper or a whopper veggie, and it is quite a size, isn't it? That it's quite some size. Tomatoes on there, some mayo, presumably, bit of lettuce, and I think it just needs a little bit of ketchup to make that worthwhile. Right, just check the size difference between the chicken and the veggie whopper. Look at that. His and hers whoppers, isn't it? Right. Don't know how I'm going to eat this. The size of that. Look at the size of that. It's as big as my head. All right, let's give it a taste test. Delicious and barbecued. Right, I'm going to need 2 hands for this, so get tucked in, and we'll catch up in a minute. We've finally done it. We've achieved our quest. Right in the airport. Who'd have thought it? We found the Altair fridge magnet. The elusive, one and only Altair fridge magnet. Right, that's coming home with me. Let's get going. That's definitely needed. Iced coffee. I'm desperately in need of caffeine at this moment in time. Puppy in the airport. Puppy in the airport. I have to be quick with my update. There's a bit of a queue on for this toilet, so yeah. Just update, and we're about 45 minutes out now from Liverpool, and yeah, we're just about ready to get off this plane, to be honest. There's a lot of drunks on here tonight from Alicante to Benidorm. So, yeah, we'll see when we land.
Smoking is not permitted and to each a designated smoking area. Did you know that we also offer on a week-long price guarantee for our package holidays? Whether you're after a city break or a beach holiday, we've got thousands of handpicked hotels for you to choose from. Simply search EasyJet Holidays.
There it is. John Liverpool Airport. We're back in Blighty. That crazy flight. Full of drunkards, full of people having too good a time on the way home. And yeah, the last leg of the journey, walk to the car, got to acclimatise to this cold weather again, and a little drive home, and maybe a little glass of something when we get back. Who knows? Right, okay, we've had a wonderful time. Thoroughly enjoyed it. 4 days, so a bit of a whistle stop, but can't wait to go back and do it all again.
Are they going to Benidorm this year?
Anybody going to Benidorm this year or soon, let us know. And where are you staying? Where's the best place for us to stay next time? Be looking for another hotel to review and check out. So let us know some recommendations. Right. For now, freezing cold Britain, signing off.